Look who is with me here. Yes, my patient who did hair restoration with me. So let me just ask him a few questions. So when exactly you did your hair restoration with me?
I did it on April 2021.
Yes, so in April last year, 2021, so it's like been a year, maybe a year and 13 months already now? Yeah? Okay. So in 13 months, look at him. It doesn't even look like a person has lost hair. Look at his hair, so beautiful. He looks so handsome that it was, when he walked in, I couldn't recognize him. So would you like to say something about the growth of your hair and how he's given you some confidence?
Yeah, thank you. And it was a best journey for me because I didn't expect that much result. And I also did my hair transplant here along with my hair transplant, and all the results, you can see the results, and it's actually beautiful. And right now I feel that my confidence level is now high. So thanks and credit goes to Dr. Inder and her team.
Yes, thank you so much. I'm also very pleased with the results me and the team has given him. So continue taking care. Okay, he's here today. After a long time I'm seeing him. He's come to do his PRP again. He left the country and he got back again. So that's good news. So when you lose your hair, now you got back his hair, he wants to really take care of it and let the hair be there. So I'm going to guide him along now, the journey of him maintaining his hair. So this clinic, Dr. Inder, is a second home for him where his hair is concerned. So it's like a family to us. So now, thank you so much for this small video, and I wish you all the best. And I will hope you will maintain and look good with your hair. So let's thumbs up to Dr. Inder, my patient, and to the team today.